Hi, thanks for tuning in. I want to talk to you today about how symbols communicate and their significance. But I want to ask for your forgiveness for the background noise. I'm slowly pacing around as I record this, and I'm going to try to speak up and use my voice very, in a better way. I do tend to have that problem. I don't know, I'll have 420 and then try to make a video, and it's like, here I am not enunciating and speaking loudly enough. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to start with the comparison of comparing numbers or letters and words with any other kind of symbol, like let's say a police badge or the World Health Organization emblem or the swastika or astrology symbols, the cross. Okay, when we look at letters, we can see the letters are basically essentially scribble that represent sounds which collectively combine to represent words which represent ideas. It's a symbol. It's something when you see a word on a piece of paper, that collaboration of scribble, those symbols, those carvings, those graven carvings are symbolic of an idea. And when you see that word, you know what it means in your mind. You see the word pool. You go, oh, I know what a pool. Yeah, pool. That big thing full of water you swim in and stay cool. Okay, so words are essentially scribblings on paper that represent ideas that your brain recognizes, and we can use them to communicate with one another. Now let's think of symbols. Think of a symbol like an astrology symbol, the symbol for Pisces, just to be off the wall about it. That too is a symbol, and that symbol represents a series of ideas, and when your mind sees it, if you've looked into it, you know what it is. And even if you don't know about astrology, you see it, you know, oh, that's an astrology symbol. So the point is that symbols have more power than people think. You see symbols all around you all the time, and nobody really thinks a whole lot about them. But let's think about something as serious as, say, the swastika, and we can see how symbols really are serious, and they can be very, very dangerous. Occultists were heavily into symbols. Look up the word sigil. I'll put that link in the description below. It's an occult phenomena. Basically, it's like a symbolic carved representation of a specific entity. Typically fallen angels, some black magic occult satanic stuff. And this is why the second commandment in Exodus chapter 20 verses 4, starting at verses 4, says, "Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image." A graven image represents an idol. It's like a demonic spirit, and there's different symbols that represent those demonic spirits, which is why things like the swastika were so dangerous, and which is why the five-pointed star that the police wear today is also very dangerous, especially if you are a Christian authority figure. God does not want you bowing down to and serving. That means working for and exalting and praising and worshiping and idolizing that symbol and what it represents. And it's more about what it represents. That's the point of the symbol. It's not just some random carving. It represents something that is an idol, which is tied to the enemy and those types of spirits. So real stuff. I'm going to put a link in the description to an angel fire site I put together, and I lay this out thoroughly and explain it in pretty good detail. It's a really rad site too. You're going to love it. I quote a lot of Bible stuff and quote academic citations, and I put the encyclopedia links up there as well. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Hey, do me a favor, please subscribe for me and click the like button. And also, if you feel like it, you can holler at me with like $1 and my Cashapp. My Cashapp hashtag is $botanical G420. That's $botanical G420. Just to show your support and help this channel grow. I'm going to start using this channel more. Love y'all. Check back, y'all. Peace.